Welcome back to the Catalina 310. We just purchased this beautiful sailboat a few weeks ago, and today we are going to do a deck cleaning with some brite non-skid deck cleaner. You don't want to use your car soap to wash the boat because you don't want to be slipping and sliding when you shouldn't be. Grip is everything on a sailboat, and that's why I definitely recommend using a boat non-skid grade soap. So we're gonna go ahead and use our power washer and get to work. First order of business will be to take off all of my hatch covers, so that way they don't get power washed off. Pre-soaked the deck. I'm gonna work in sections, starting from the bow. I'm probably gonna work all the way to the side stays, and that'll be a section 1. Side stays to the cockpit, section 2, and then the cockpit and the stern will be section 3. So 3 sections is how we're gonna tackle this thing. I've never used this brite bird and spider stain remover, so we're gonna give this a shot right now. This will be my step 2 before I start scrubbing the decks. My pressure washer comes with this beautiful soap attachment. I am pretty darn impressed with how beautiful this cockpit is. The entire boat actually, but we're not done yet. We're gonna let this whole thing dry off. Shouldn't take very long in this 100-degree Texas heat. And then we're gonna apply a nice layer of non-skid wax. We are at the bow of my boat. We're gonna work this in. It says you can spray it whether the deck is dry or damp. But essentially, what this wax is gonna do is create a protective barrier between the deck and the elements. It's gonna allow liquids and stains and poop and dirt to roll off a lot easier, and also prevent oxidation and allow the deck to stay brighter, cleaner, and last longer. So let's get to work. Basically just a tedious process of working over this wax into the non-skid, but you can really tell when you stand back and look at it all. It looks very clean. We have made it all the way to the very back of the boat, and I am just about out of wax. It took a whole bottle to do my 30-foot sailboat. Not sure if I applied it too thick, but that is where we're at. Just gonna do this lovely sugar scoop transom. By the way, this is one of the main reasons why I bought a newer sailboat. It's because I have 5 daughters, and we just like to anchor out and let them swim. And it's kind of hard to do on a traditional stern, getting in and out as like a play vessel. So the goal here is that when the birds do poop on it, or the spiders poop on it, that whenever I just spray it off, it will glide right off and make cleaning much easier, on top of all the other benefits. But that will be the most practical benefit from week to week.